If you are new to the Excel, this is the first formula you must learn. It is the sum formula, the fastest way to add the numbers in the Excel. Let's do this stuff in the Excel and see the 5 different ways to calculate the total in the Excel. Here is the first way to calculate the total. Where you want the total, press or click over the cell, then type equal sum and then press the tab. After pressing the tab, select the complete range of numbers you want to add. Just select and then enter. The second method to calculate the total is press the empty cell where you want the total and then go to the home tab and then go to the AutoSum function. After clicking the drop down list, select the sum and press. It will automatically select the entire range and then enter. It will automatically do the addition. The third method to find out the total is the fastest method in the Excel. How we can do this? Select the complete range and one empty cell where you want the total and then just click the Alt and equal to. It will do the addition. The fourth method to do the addition or to find out the total is from the different cell. We must click on the cell where you want the total, then type equal to sum, press the tab and then select the individual cell in which the data is entered. After selecting the first cell, just press the comma, then select the next cell, then press comma and just doing this stuff. After the last cell you select, then just press the enter. It will do the addition from the different region, from the different cells. The fifth method is to find the total of the entire column or entire row. How we can do this? Just press equal to, then type sum, then press tab, then select the entire column or entire row. After selecting the entire column, we just have to hit the enter button and this will calculate the total for that entire column. In the future, if you add the sum values in the empty cell, it will calculate the sum automatically because we have selected the entire column. And that's 5 quick ways to use the sum formula. Try them once and Excel becomes much more easier.